Now, what a day. Stocks are bouncing, crypto's bouncing, Bitcoin's bouncing, everything's bouncing. Why is everything bouncing? Is this a bull trap? We're near the bottom. Are we making a bottom here? Do you think this is a bull trap? Why have we gone? This green bar is bigger than the red bar here. We've totally eclipsed this entire red bar. This would make it a bullish reversal pattern if we finish this way, which is only about 1 or 2 hours from now for the close, right? If we close this way, that's looking pretty good. 92K turns out to be the real resistance. So as Pablo said all along, 92K area because of all this. And 94K as well, because see here, we wicked up on this day. We wicked up to 93K, and here's the 92K line. Now, why is all this happening? Yesterday, many people were doubting Pablo and saying, why are we crashing? Because we're in a bear market. It's possible. I agree. It's possible we're in a bear market. But you know what Pablo said? Pablo said, we were crashing yesterday because the Japanese yen was crashing. USD, here is US dollar, Japanese yen. That's actually means the Japanese yen strengthening. US dollar is going down, right? $1 was yesterday on the Monday. 156, and then it crashed down to 156, and then it went down to 154.6, right? And 1.5 yen move, right? When it went down like this, everything went down. People didn't believe me. People were like, oh, why would Bitcoin and stocks crash because the Japanese yen made a move? Now today, look, we've gone from the low yesterday from 154.6 to close here, which is what, 155.4, and then start 155.4, and we hit as high as 156. We've basically made a round trip. We started here, went down, and then opened here, and then came back up, and we're almost closing near the highs here, as if we made the whole drop all the way back. And that's exactly what happened to Bitcoin. Look at this, right? Does that remind you of anything? The whole drop, we open up here. Look at this. We drop, we close here, we open at the same level, and we take that high out. It's exactly what happened on the Japanese yen. We drop, right? We close here, we open here, and we take that out. Now, Japanese yen dropped a little bit below here. Bitcoin is a little bit higher. But the whole point is, basically, as we got onto, look, I thought we were going to bounce at 92K. It didn't even bounce at all. So that situation looked pretty bad. Everyone was predicting 74K, which is around here, right? Because these tops are 74K. It's possible we could get there. It's possible. But since everyone's calling for 74K, my instincts are then, in that case, the market maker is going to front run the market, because if everyone's calling for that, then basically chances are everyone's got their buy stops just around 74, 73K. So which means chances are we don't get there. That's why I thought we're going to bottom around 78, 79. And I said, this won't be a V bottom like this. That's a V bottom. I said, we're going to retest 80K around 78, 79. We didn't quite get there this time, right? But as long as we stay below 92K, there's, see, 92K, all these bottoms around here, there's still a chance we'll retest this 78, 79, and then up we go.